Hey, it's Jeff G. Holt with V-Twin Visionary, and I'm here today with some Dickies 874 original fit work pants. Yeah, they've been making these for a million years, but here's the deal. Read. It says flex. It's not stretch. They're not stretchy pants. They're not yoga pants. They have a little bit of flex in them, so when you're riding, it doesn't get bound up in your butt areas or your leg areas or your knee areas. These aren't anything special, man. You can go to Walmart and buy these. I really like them. I kind of swapped out all my regular 874s for these. They are a little lighter, actually, a little thinner, so they're not going to wear as long, I don't think, as like a standard pair. And they're not really scotch guarded as good as the other ones, so you got to watch out for stains. But as far as like just swapping over to something a little more comfortable when you're racking up the miles on your bike, you might want to check out the Flexi Dickies.